Cheryl, what was your story?
Well, I was in my car going down my driveway, getting ready to go to Casey's to get a VAT and Diet Coke, and I saw these 3 engineers standing around the lawnmower trying to get it started, but it wouldn't start. So I got out of my car, walked over there, and I said, "You're trying to start it with the handles in. They have to be out." So he put the handles out and boom, started right up. The 3 engineers, well, does the blade have to be off before you start it? Or, he was getting up off the seat and pushing the seat up, and
I guess you're going to have to just make him mow a little more often.
that's it right there.
What was the name of these engineers? Did you know them?
Mark Niedenthal and Mark Smith and Doug Sanderson.
Wow. That's a pretty elite group. That's kind of disappointing.
You learning to be a journalist, are you? Oh, I bet if the engineer Jim Johnstone would have been there, I bet it would have started right off.
That's a certainty. All right, we're going to end this now.